Thirikari no ithiete na mbere kunyitithia thinga bara ya kuhurana na njohi itari njitikirie iria ithukitie muturire wa aingi na makiria mbeu njithi. Na kaunti-ini ya NAIKURU, thutha wa unyitaniri wa maabitha borithi, maabitha kuma ruhonge rwa NAKANDA, maabitha a ruhonge rwa KRA hamwe na maabitha a ruhonge rwa KEBS ni marahithukirie kiganda kimwe mwena wa NAIKURU ya irathiro kiria gikoretwo gigithondeka njohi itari njitikirie.
After intelligence reports, we have managed to come to a residential place. As you can see, this house is a residential home. But when we came in, we found that it is manufacturing illicit alcohol, adulterated alcohol. They have machines for the production and packing of that illicit alcohol.
Hede ya BIRIGICENI ino, andu MUGWANJA NIMAIKITIO NGONO umwe wa wari mwene kiganda giki na aruti ake a wira 6 na njohi ya MAMIRIONI ma mbeca kuhithukio.
The value of the items that you have found is worth 1.156,585, and this is an illegal outfit. They have not been paying tax, of course, because they are parking illegally, and whatever they have is illegal. We find that if they were to pay tax, they would have paid 556,617. All of them will be taken to court and be prosecuted for that.
Munini wa County Commissioner wa mwena uyu Were Simiyu augite mekuire njohi ino ikoretwo ikienderio aikari a mwena uyu na oho county iria iriganitie na NAIKURU.
The water there that is mixed, that is being called alcohol, it is dirty. Our people are consuming dangerous, poisonous things. And this will serve as an example to those who are engaging in such kind of activities.
Murugamiriri wa ruhonge rwa NAKANDA Rift Valley ya muhuro Robert Olweni augite ni kieha kuona mici ya guikarwo itwitwo iganda cia guthondeka njohi thumu na ikenderio muingi, akiuga ni kuri njira iria mundu afati kuhuthira niguo egwatere maratathi maria mafati ma kumwitikiria guthondeka njohi.
Going forward, we will continue to crack down on this because this is actually one of the major reasons for a lot of problems and health challenges that we are having, and these kind of people are not only destroying the health and the life of people, but indeed if somebody wants to do a business, there are correct procedures.
Gerifotera KMWE TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.